Conversations with young people have to be a little different. We live in a digital age. They need to see something.
Out here in cyberspace. And understandably so, because there are lots of fun things to do out here. There's this and this. But did you know that there are lots of things that you can't see? Things like this. There's this.
And because most young people don't have the skill set to imagine themselves in a particular predicament, we do it for them.
I sent a few videos that were supposed to disappear, but somehow they got copied. Now this dude is threatening to go viral. What are you going to do? I think I have to do whatever he says. Why did you do that? He said it was our little secret.